So in this video, I want to talk about penetrating Facebook groups and adding value to groups, commenting, and just spending a bit of time. Now, this is worth probably 5–10 minutes of your day, every single day. So choose your groups that you want to work with and sort of pin them to the top. I tend to operate in service accommodation, UK property traders, HMO, but I also like these groups as well. Obviously, I've got my own group, which I penetrate in as well. And, you know, there's obviously these groups as well. But what you want to do is, the idea of this is just trying to become a bit of a thought provoker, add value to people, get them onto your profile, you know, let them request you as a friend. And then they're going to start seeing your content. They're going to start seeing what you do as a business. And over time, your brand builds, and this is how they will then come onto your profile, engage with you, get into your messenger, and maybe start asking questions like, I see you do service accommodation management, or I see that you do rent to rent. I've got a few properties in that location, X, Y, Z, or I'm struggling a bit with X, Y, Z. I see you do that. Can you help? Now, what you want to do is you can either just go scrolling. I find that a bit tedious, and you know, and you sometimes don't really get where you want to be. So I find the easiest thing to do is just hit this search button and just you know, go on to anything. Just think of any sort of topic. So let's go cleaners. So obviously in service accommodation groups, we'll go cleaners. So just organize this cleaners. Okay, cost for 100%. So that's my post. Cleaners in country, please. 4 times. So all you're looking to do is just add a value to the comments, and you know, let's like this guy here. He's obviously looking for cleaners. So comment. So what location operating in might be able to give you some guidance on cleaners and turnovers / help all together. So, you know, I'm just putting that in there. Just, you know, obviously I've got cleaning and linen service, so I can put that in there. But again, this isn't about pitching either. Sometimes you just want to just get in the conversation. So if we just go to, let's just think of something else, Airbnb, see what's been said about that. Checked in the full, we're going to have a hinge, guest aware of this and this and have a I've got news and video worth having a read of this briefly. So, okay, I'm going to go on this one. So, this just means, so basically they've increased their rates. So, well, not increased the rates, they've just changed the commission structure. So, this just means that it will operate in line with the likes of booking.com. So, isn't a major deal in my eyes, because everyone will just shift the prices to suit. Probably a bit easier, in all honesty, having them all done very similar. Because I know on our channel manager, it's a bit of a pain where I've got to, for some channels, I have to boost the rates based on the price labs and blah, blah, blah. So it gets quite frustrating. So basically all I'm doing there is just adding comments into Facebook groups. And then as you'll see here, I quite often post value comments in here. And, you know, I've got my content tree, which is, you know, I've written a year's worth of stuff already. That's my marketing is done. Spent sort of 2 full days doing all that. But, you know, just every now and then, just dropping stuff in. You know, just value. Let me tell you a little secret. You don't need a massive amount of money to get into property. How much? You have to be kidding. As you scale, you know, that was something about cleaners. You can see that they get good engagements, you know. I'm not asking for anything here. I'm just providing my story. I'm just telling them my experiences. You know, great post. You know, I'm just, you know, you've got to take action. You know, I'm just providing value. I'm not trying to be like, oh, I need deals, give me deals. I need deals, give me deals. Or if anyone's got any deals, give me deals. You know, because that's not the right way to market. The right way to market is just offer value, and people will pick up on it. And when they're good and ready, they'll engage with you. And when you adapt that mindset, which is difficult at first, because obviously you want to get deals, but that's where you go to your quick win strategies. That's where, you know, dive into the quick win section of the program, get your emails out there, and, you know, do your prospecting and do your messaging. And that's where you get your quick wins. All of this is a bit more of a medium to long-term game, but it all strengthens everything. And then over time, this actually takes over, and you do less of the quick win stuff, and more of the natural stuff just comes to you and finds you. So you don't have to be doing as much of the quick win stuff. So it kind of shifts as time goes on. So that's how you do the comments, and that's how you add value to groups. So I suggest getting 3 main groups that you want to operate in, and commit to, I think the marketing planner in the marketing section, which we've already gone over, should show you exactly what to post when. But by all means, mix that up, decide when you want to post, but just make sure that you take the action and you do it. Remember, imperfect action is better than no action at all. So even if you think you haven't got a good post to send, just send it anyway. Imperfect action is better than no action at all. So hope that helps. Get after it, get posting in your groups, and make sure that you commit to at least 3 groups and 2 posts per week in those groups, and 5 minutes every day in those 3 groups answering comments. So that's 15 minutes in total, plus a couple of adverts a week. Okay, get after it, and it will blow your journey up. Trust me.